Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about future tense. Okay, let me tell you the parts of future tense. So there are four parts of future tense: simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous tense. Okay, future perfect continuous tense. But today we are going to learn only about simple future tense. So let me tell you the definition of simple future tense. So simple future tense is used to express such actions which will take place in the future. That means in coming days. The action will be happen in coming days. So these types of actions or facts are known as simple future tense. Okay, so in future simple future tense, the be verb will and shall are used. Okay, will and shall are used in simple future tense, and in affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences the main verb is written in first form. Okay, so uses of shall and will. Okay, will is used with he, she, it, they, you, any name, singular or plural names, okay, etc. So with he, she, it, they, you, name or any names, okay, that means singular or plural, will is used with both singular and plural. Okay, and shall is only used with I and we. Always remember that shall is used only with I and we. So now I'm going to tell you how to form or how to make sentences like affirmative, negative, interrogative, yes no type, or WH word type interrogative sentence. So to make affirmative sentence, its pattern is subject plus will, shall plus verb plus form plus object. So this is the pattern to form affirmative sentence, that means positive sentence. Okay, subject plus will or shall plus verb first form plus object. First form means verb base form. Okay, so for example, I shall help you. So I is subject and shall is be verb and help is main verb and you is object. And at the end of the affirmative sentence, don't forget to put full stop. Okay. So let me take you one more example. Okay. He will call you. He will call you. So both of these two sentences are positive affirmative sentence. He is subject here and will is be verb and call is main verb and you is object. So by applying this pattern or formula, you can make affirmative sentence in simple future tense. Okay, so negative sentence, how to form this pattern is in negative sentence not is added. Okay, so only not is added and the pattern will remain same like affirmative sentence. Okay, so subject plus will or shall plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, after be verb will or shall not is added in negative sentence. So example, I shall not help you, and at the end of the negative sentence full stop. Okay, there will be a full stop. He will not call you. So it is another example. So at the end of the sentence, don't forget to put full stop. Okay. So by applying this pattern, you can make negative sentence in future, simple future tense. Subject plus will, shall plus not plus verb first form plus object. So the main verb will be remain same. Okay, that means in first form. So now interrogative sentence. Okay, in yes no type interrogative sentence, its pattern is first be verb will or shall will come. Okay, before the subject. Before the subject, be verb will or shall will come, and after subject, verb first form plus object plus question mark. Okay, will, shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark in yes no type interrogative sentence. So its example is shall I help you, and at the end of the sentence question mark. Okay, shall I help you, it is yes no type interrogative sentence. And in WH word type interrogative sentence. Okay, so first WH word will come. WH word plus will, shall plus subject plus verb 1 plus object plus question mark. WH word plus will, shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark in WH word type interrogative sentence. So example, why will he call you, and at the end of the sentence don't forget to put question mark. Okay, in this way, by applying this pattern, formula or structure of simple future tense sentences like affirmative, negative, interrogative, yes no type, WH word type interrogative sentence, so you can able to make sentences. Okay, simple future tense sentences, affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence. So at the end of this video, let me once again remind you the uses of will and shall. Okay, will is used with he, she, it, they, you, any name, singular, okay, or any plural names, etc. And shall is only used with I and we. So students, its definition is simple future tense is used to express such actions which will take place in future. So students, remember this pattern formula, okay, to understand tenses. So in previous videos also I have taught you the formulas and pattern of different tenses. So for today's videos only this much. Thank you.